Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. So today's video, as you can see, is going to be my updated wash day routine. Now that I have color treated hair, a few things have changed. I'm going to be starting on a week-old wash and go that after a few workouts got put in a bun for the last 2 days. But overall, my hair is not feeling terrible. She's almost back to normal. The biggest difference that I'd say that I have felt is the fact that the ends of my hair, as to be expected, are a lot more dry than what I'm used to, and I've been experiencing a lot more tangling. So I've just had to be more delicate and gentle in my detangling process, and especially in the shower when my hair is wet. So for today's video, it's going to be wash day only. I'm not going to be doing any styling or anything like that. If you have not seen my detailed informational video that I posted last week, go check that out. I explained to you every single product that I'm using during this hair rehab period, why I chose it, and what it's doing for me. If you have any questions outside of that, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, sit back and enjoy.
I've been winning like I found the perfect cheat code. Social distance, shawty, don't get close to people. Had a lot of problems, but I couldn't keep them. I've been on a so big to wipe out lethal. Switch it up, ayy. Take it slow, bring it back, let them know, break it down to the flow, pick it up, let it go, baby. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'ma be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'ma be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. I catch honeybees, they don't sting like me. I'm resilient, like an apple tree. Always wanted more, they try bother me, but I get money, yeah, like it falls from trees. I just wanna dance, I just wanna sing for someone like me. Dreams don't come for free, but I take my time, it'll come to me. You could have it all, but it's hard to keep. Switch it up, take it slow, bring it back, let them know, break it down to the flow, pick it up, let it go, switch it up, take it slow, bring it back, let them know, break it down to the flow, pick it up, let it go, baby. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'll be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'ma be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. Every single time, what did you make of it? Every day could be a memory you won't forget. Before you die, you gotta live like you were made for this. It's a wild world out there, you gotta go for it, yeah. Woke up every single time, what did you make of it? Every day could be a memory you won't forget. Before you die, you gotta live like you were made for this. It's a wild world out there, you gotta go for it, yeah. I can't give you the
You wanna be somebody.